Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a live account on TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com. You will also find its link in the description box below. So when you are here on TradeLocker, you will find this button that says Start Trading on the top right hand corner of the screen. So over here, when you click on the option of Start Trading, you will be landed here on this particular page. Now it is going to ask you to select a broker or select a prop from trading. So TradeLocker is a trading platform, but it is not the broker itself. So you will need a live account that is created via either any forex broker or a prop trading firm that supports TradeLocker. So here, if you have selected the option of pick a broker, you are going to see all of the popular brokers list here. So you just have to click on the option of get started right next to it. Then it will redirect you on your broker's official website. Now over here, you just have to click on the option of create account, or you can also log in here with the help of your email address and your phone number. And then when you log in into your account, you will be automatically redirected here on TradeLocker. Basically, you will be able to basically add your broker or the prop firm here. For the prop firm part, you can select the option of pick a challenge. Then again, you will be landed here on this page where you can select any of the prop firms with the help of which you want to sign in. So click on the option of get started, then click on the option of go to challenge. Here again, you just have to log in into your account and you will be automatically redirected in your live account. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.